Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the classic Blackforest pastry. For that you will need 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, half a cup of oil, vanilla essence, a teaspoon, leave this aside. Let's prepare our dry ingredients. To 3/4 cup of the flour, quarter cup of cocoa powder is added, half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give a good mix or sieve it 2 or 3 times. Now add this to the egg mixture and beat it in a very low speed. Cake is ready. I'm going to divide this into 3 equal parts and would lay this one above the other. Let's whip our cream. 1 cup of whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup of icing sugar. Start off in low speed. Once the line starts appearing, increase your speed from low to high. Let's layer our cake. I'm adding sugar syrup to each layer to give extra softness and moisture to the cake. Some chocolate shavings over the top, and here our pastry is ready. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.